Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Wednesday Addams costume available for girls. If you're looking for a high-quality, authentic cosplay outfit that perfectly captures the essence of this iconic character, then stay tuned because this costume ticks all the boxes. This Wednesday Addams costume from WYB is designed for girls aged 4 to 14 years and is crafted from a blend of cotton and polyester, making it both lightweight and durable. The fabric feels soft and comfortable against the skin, which is especially important for kids who will be wearing it for hours during Halloween parties, cosplay events, or themed birthday celebrations. The dress itself captures the classic Wednesday Addams style with its sleek black look. It includes a delicate belt that adds to the outfit's authenticity, giving it a neat and polished appearance just like the character's signature dress in the popular TV series. The attention to detail extends beyond just the dress. This costume set comes with a range of carefully matched accessories that truly bring the character to life. You'll find a high-quality black wig that mimics Wednesday's iconic hairstyle, a shining necklace that adds a subtle touch of charm, and a pair of fashionable cosplay stockings that complete the look from head to toe. One standout feature of this costume is the inclusion of a unique fake hand accessory, inspired by the Thing character from the Addams family. This adds an extra layer of fun and creativity to the costume, allowing kids to engage more deeply in roleplay and make their Halloween or cosplay experience even more memorable. In terms of sizing, the costume covers a broad range from 4 years old up to 14 years, ensuring that many kids can enjoy this outfit. The costume's fit is designed to stay in place comfortably during movement, so your child can run, jump, and play without worrying about adjustments or discomfort. Care is also straightforward with this costume. The fabric blend recommends hand washing to maintain its quality and softness, which is great for preserving the costume for future use. Whether it's for Halloween, a school play, or just a fun dress-up day, this costume offers great value by combining quality materials, authentic styling, and well-thought-out accessories. Overall, the WYB Wednesday Addams costume dress for girls delivers a complete and immersive experience. From the soft, durable fabric to the authentic wig and thoughtful accessories, it's designed to help your child embody the character perfectly. If you want a costume that stands out for its detail, comfort, and completeness, this is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.